Today our topic is table of 2. Let's learn the table of 2 in a unique way. Dear children, today we will learn the table of 2 in a very simple way. I have made this beautiful TLM for you. You can see I have designed this 2 with the help of cardboards, with the help of paper sheets, crayons, gum. So I have decorated this digit 2 with small white paper circles. So let's start to learn the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2's threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20. So this is the table of 2. 2 and 2.